Scrolling TikTok lately, I keep seeing certain products blowing up everywhere. Some are electronics, some are kids products, but they all have one thing in common. People are going crazy over them. I wanted to see if these trends were real and if you could actually sell these items successfully. So we'll take a look at 3 examples that are making tens of thousands of dollars for other brands right now, and we'll go ahead and source US-based suppliers for each one of them. That way our shipping time takes days, not weeks like the case with most suppliers. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. TikTok has become one of the biggest drivers of product trends in e-commerce. Products that go viral on here can sell thousands of units in days. The trick is spotting what's shareable, fun, and useful, and getting it into your store fast. So for example, since we're in back to school season and back to school is only days away, this trend in kids backpack is all over TikTok. So let's go ahead and see how much money it's actually making for this brand. Pulling up the sales chart, we can see that this backpack is making over $20,000 a month for multiple brands right now. So it's definitely a product that we would want to focus on. So let's go ahead and source a US-based dropshipping supplier for this product. So I'll go ahead and sign into Doba. Doba is a private supplier. They have over 1 million products from pre-vetted suppliers, and most of them are stored in US-based warehouses. So they offer faster shipping than any other supplier out there, especially if you're selling in the US. So you can sort through all of their products right here, and they actually have special selections. So if you're selling on TikTok Shop, you can sort through all of their selected TikTok Shop products. Same thing with Temu, Shopify, eBay, or wherever else you're selling on. But since we're specifically looking for that backpack we saw in the viral TikTok video, let's type in the name of the product up here. We'll type in kids backpack and we'll click search. So instantly you have some of these listings right here. You have this rocket one, and this is the one that we're actually looking for. So you can see that they have 6 different options available. You can sort through all of their different variants right here. They have a ton of images available. The cool thing about these suppliers is they actually offer high quality videos as well. These clips come straight from the suppliers, which is really helpful. You can see the quality and details of every single product before listing anything. This makes testing trends feel much more reliable and professional, all because of a trusted supplier like Doba. You can even use this video on your website and your ads if you need to, but there's no other suppliers providing high quality product videos just like this. So going back to the product page, you're getting it for $23.16. We can sell this for upwards of $50, $60, and we're getting free shipping to the US in just 3 to 15 days through UPS. So if we keep scrolling down, you can see the description. You have more images from this product to use down here. Like, look at all of this free content that you can use to promote this product. This really goes to show you can plug these products in your store and start testing them the same day. So that's a really good supplier for this product. Let's go ahead and source one more viral product. So we'll stick in the same niche for now, kids and babies, since we're in the back to school time. And we'll take a look at this viral product right here. I'll place a video on the screen. So you can see like it's a wind, rain element cover for strollers, and it's perfect this time of year. The weather's starting to cool down. We're starting to get a lot more rain, wind, and people still want to get outside. So let's go ahead and source a supplier for this product right here. But first we can take a look and see that it's actually doing $30, $40, even $70,000 a month for other brands right now. So this is definitely a winner. This is a product you'd want to focus on and sell yourself. So after searching for stroller covers and scrolling through Doba for just a minute, I came across this product right here. It's actually offered from the same supplier as the previous product we just looked at. And that makes sense because it's the same niche. We'll scroll down, we can see they have 17 in stock in the US. It all ships from the US in just 3 days. And just like the last product, we have 3 to 15 day delivery time. That's really good for drop shipping. And just like the previous product, we have another high quality video highlighting this product. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it's just demonstrating the product, shows her putting the cover on, installing it on the stroller. So this is just like a demonstration video showing some of the features and benefits as well. It shows that it's waterproof, water resistant, how it all works, all the different storage and stuff. This is a really good video. And this really goes to show that this product is high quality. So we know we're working with a good supplier. If you really wanted to, you could order samples of all these products to test them out yourself and shoot your own custom content, which is definitely something I recommend. But since we're trying to be fast and efficient in this video, we'll just list them to our stores and move on. Which I forgot to mention, you can add all of these products to your inventory list or list them directly to your store in just one click. All you have to do is integrate your Shopify store directly with Doba. And once everything's linked up, they'll fulfill your orders for you automatically. That way you don't ever have to deal with any of your own products, customers, fulfillment, shipping, or anything. Doba will handle it all. So we can already see that we have some high quality content to use from this listing right here. And considering the sales behind this product, I would definitely want to add it to my store. So you'll click list the store, you'll select your Shopify store, click continue, and you're good to go. You're gonna fill out your title, your tags, your product type, category, collection, your description. You're gonna choose what variants you want, what images you want, and you're gonna list it. Doba even has an AI optimizer to help you build your title. You can click my products right here, view your inventory list or your listings, and you can see all the other products on your store. Then you just select my orders and you can see all of your orders as they come in. It doesn't get any easier than this. What I liked about sourcing these trending products from Doba was how seamless it was. US suppliers, fast shipping, and everything ready to import. This makes testing new trends much faster and way less stressful. So that's how I go from finding trending TikTok products to sourcing them quickly. The key is picking products that people actually love and making it super easy to get them. Start small, test fast, and always keep an eye on what's trending. It's a simple but powerful way to scale your store. So that's everything you need to know about finding trending products on TikTok and then sourcing them with US-based suppliers. I found Doba a couple months ago, but I've been using them on a couple of my own stores and I have nothing but great things to say about them. So if you want access to millions of products, high quality suppliers, and fast shipping, try out Doba today. I'll leave a link for you down below. And that's all I've got for you today. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.